Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through exactly how to become a model. Being a model means that you are going to be getting free makeup, free hair, sometimes free outfits, and at the end of the day, guys, guess what? You are going to get paid. Like, who doesn't want to get paid for being beautiful? Like, you're literally just sitting down and they're doing all these things for you. You're being treated like a queen and you're getting paid. You're getting the bag. Who doesn't want that? Anyway, if you want that, if you're interested, then you know what to do. Please stick around and watch this video till the end. And also, please give this video a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Also tell me what else you'd like to see on my channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, I want to tell you that anybody can actually be an Instagram model. Your size doesn't matter. You can either be a face model or you can be a body model, or you can be both. You can model for face and you can model for body as well. I'm going to leave some pictures of past modeling jobs that I've done and I got paid for them on the screen so that you guys can know that this thing is real. Like, I'm not joking here. I'm giving you guys the real truth so you guys can know that you're not supposed to be wasting your beauty. Use your beauty to get money, you guys. But like I said, you can either be a face model, a body model. Body model is also like fashion modeling, or you can be both. So now we're going to get into how to actually become a model. Now, if you are just starting out, so you don't have like a lot of experience, I'm going to advise you to look for a modeling agency and join a modeling agency. Now, I'm very sure that a lot of people have, you know, things to say about modeling agencies here and there. I know that modeling agencies have their own cons, but they also have their own pros as well. And we're going to get into that later. But first of all, you need to apply to a modeling agency if you are just starting out, because they're the ones that are going to help you to push your face out at first. And I believe that after you gain a little bit of exposure, then you can now decide if you still want to continue with the modeling agency or you want to leave. So first of all, now, how do you join a modeling agency? The first thing that you need are fine pictures, like very fine pictures. You cannot be taking all these low quality pictures and then you expect the modeling agency to accept you. Nah, they're not going to accept you. Instagram, they like very bright, very beautiful, nice background. Everything should be on check. So that is what you're also going to do. When you're sending your pictures to a modeling agency, you have to make sure that those things are, you know, on check in your pictures. So you're going to need pictures of you without makeup. If you're sending pictures of you without makeup to a modeling agency just for them to see your face and see what you look like, because most of these modeling agencies don't have like a physical office. If you want to be an Instagram model, they are also going to most likely interview you online. So your face in the picture that you're taking has to be like relatively smooth, relatively clear. And once you have that, you also need a picture of you on makeup. Now, I'm very sure that some of us have friends that do makeup. You can tell your friend that, okay, you want to become a model. They can get your makeup done for you, or you can as well get a professional makeup artist to do your makeup. You know, I feel like all these things are just sacrifices. And if you can also do your makeup by yourself, then great. Get that fine makeup done, take fine pictures, and that is the number 2 picture that you're going to be needing. Also, you're going to be needing a picture of your full body. Your full body includes your face, your bust, your waist, your hip, and you can as well send like what you look like entirely. So everything should be in the picture that you're sending. So just want to know how you look, because like I said earlier, they do not have a physical office. Now, once we've gotten that out of the way, it is time to search for a modeling agency. How do you search for a modeling agency? My first tip to search for a modeling agency is to check makeup artists' pages. For most makeup artists, especially the ones in your area, for example, if you're in Nigeria and you want to become a model, most of them are mostly in Lagos, Ibadan, Abuja. Modeling agencies operate in these states. So for other places, you can make your research, you can do your research. I don't know about that, so I'm not going to talk about it. So first of all, you want to check makeup artists page. If you have makeup artists that you like, that you follow, check their page. Some of them usually use this modeling agencies. They can hire models from modeling agencies. So you can just check who they tag in their comments and know, okay, did they actually hire this person from a modeling agency, or the person is just a client? So like that, you can be seeing different modeling agencies on a makeup artist page. That is one way to look for a modeling agency. The second way to look for a modeling agency is to go on Instagram and search for the keyword models. Maybe models in your location, you check through and check for the one that is in your location, and like that, and that is how you find a modeling agency. The third one is to actually follow models. If you have somebody that is in a modeling agency, you can check to see if you like maybe what they are doing and stuff like that. So yes, but before you pick a modeling agency, make sure that they have a good number of following, because you don't want to apply to a modeling agency that isn't like consistent, and make sure that their reputation is good. Now that we have an idea of the modeling agency that we want to pick, the next thing is to apply to this modeling agency. Now, how do you apply to a modeling agency? Some modeling agencies on Instagram, some of them might have like a guideline how to become a model on their bio, and if they don't have, they'll most likely leave an email. So you can either send them a DM on Instagram saying, oh, you like their agency and you would like to become a model in their agency, that what are the requirements. That is one way. The second way is to actually send them an email. In the email, you can be like, hello, just be very, very cautious when you're sending the email. Say hello, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you are sending the email. My name is so and so, and I would like to know what it takes to become a model in your agency, because I would really love to be a model in your agency. Then you put your size. You can say your size is this and that. This is your bust size, this is your waist size, and this is your hip size. Also, you need to know your height. So when you are sending that, add that information in your message and end it with a thank you, that you love to receive a feedback, a reply from them very soon. And most of the time they are going to respond to you. If this modeling agency doesn't respond to you, that doesn't mean that you should stop there. Okay, there are so many modeling agencies on Instagram that you can text, that you can email, that you can message. So just check Instagram, check people's pages. If somebody is in a modeling agency, you can ask the person about their modeling agency, and if it is okay by you, then you can join. Now, once they reply you and stuff like that, you're going to send the images that we talked about earlier. Most of the time they request for these things, so you're going to send it to them, and if they accept you, they're going to give you an interview and you're going to be accepted. If they want you, they will accept you. If they don't want you, then they will reject you. But that doesn't mean that you should stop, keep applying to different modeling agencies. Now that we're done with how to get into a modeling agency, we want to talk about the pros and the cons of being in a modeling agency, to help you know if you really want to be in a modeling agency or you don't want to be in a modeling agency. Now, the biggest pro of being in a modeling agency is that you don't have to look for jobs. You don't have to look for modeling jobs. They do all of that for you. Now, if you have like another job that you're doing, for example, you're working from home, you can just keep doing what you're doing, and you know, you're just freestyling and all of that, and then you get a message that somebody wants to actually use your face, or somebody wants you to model for them. That is like the biggest pro of being in a modeling agency. You don't have to do the work of looking for clients, which I think is very, very great. So in my opinion, being a model is a very great side hustle, especially with a modeling agency. Second advantage of being a modeling agency is that you get exposed to their large audience. Now, when I was saying that if you want to join a modeling agency, blah blah blah, and this is what you should do, I told you that you should make sure that they have a good amount of following. Now, if they have like a lot of followers, or they have good reputation, then those people that follow them are going to see your face when they post your pictures on their page, and that is giving you more exposure. More people get to see your face, and then they'll be like, okay, I want to work with this person. Okay, I like this person's face. Let me use that as my next model. So that is it. You get exposure when you join a modeling agency. Last pro on my list is that you get money. Obviously, guys, for most of the people that become models, the goal is to make money at the end of the day. You don't just want to be wasting your time, somebody using your face to do makeup and all of that, and at the end of the day you're not getting paid. So guys, they have like strict amounts that people get to pay you at the end of your job. So it's not as if you not finish working, somebody will be telling you that they don't want to pay you or stuff like that. They have to pay you, because these modeling agencies would have discussed with your vendor, with the person that is hiring you, that this is the amount that you have to pay when you hire this model, and at the end of the shoot, at the end of the whatever that you do, you get paid easily. Okay guys, so now guys, we're moving on to the cons of being in a modeling agency. So the first con, guys, is that you have to pay to join most modeling agencies. I'm actually not going to disclose the amounts that I pay to be in a modeling agency, so please don't ask me this. I am not allowed to disclose this. The money is something that you can pay if you want to pay it, depending on your financial capability. It's not too much, to be very honest, for the amount of money that you are going to be getting when you are finally in the modeling agency and you get hired to work. I don't feel like it is too much, but if you're in school, it may be a little bit, above your budget, so you might have to save towards joining a modeling agency. The second thing, guys, is that you have to sign a contract, and the contract might not be something that is necessarily something that, like, you may not agree everything in the contract, but you still have to sign the contract. So if you don't want, you may choose not to sign the contract, and you may choose to leave the modeling agencies, but most modeling agencies usually have their contracts. The third con, guys, is that you have to pay commission. Remember that I told you guys that they are going to look for your shoots for you, they're going to get people to use you as their models and everything. So guys, after the shoots, you're going to pay them money. You're going to pay them money for getting those shoots for you. So guys, you might want to consider this before joining a modeling agency as well. Lastly, the con of being in a modeling agency is that you have to follow their rules. Obviously, they don't have like very, very strict rules, but still you have to follow their rules. So that is it on being a model. If you have any more questions, please ensure to ask me in the comments. Please comment below what else you would like to see on my channel. Don't forget to follow me on social media. My social media handle is on the screen right now. So if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.